body, you me need a pretty car from team. Here some cocky first time to I'll be the discreet, you know what I mean. It's a healthy figure, like you do no tell. Say she hurting, I love her, no she don't care.
I did receive 2 different wigs from Unice or Unice, however you guys pronounce it. They went ahead and sent me 2 different wigs. One is a 24-inch headband wig. And another one is, I think, a 12-inch cap wig. I've never tried out a cap wig before, so we're gonna see how this goes. Alright guys, so the next wig I'm going to go ahead and open is this one. This is supposed to be a cap wig. It's supposed to be a 12-inch cap wig. This is going to be really interesting because I've never tried a cap wig before, so here we go. So again, once you open the package, there's going to be a drawstring. Well, this one's a little bit different. The wig cap, it comes with a wig cap here, comes with an edge brush, and it comes with some earrings. And then it comes with some lashes. Okay, and of course you can store the wig in this bag here. This is what the wig, or yeah, what the wig comes in. It comes in this bag right here. And then it comes in a netting. Okay, and this is what it's looking like. Now I've never ever had a cap wig, and I'm laughing now because it's just different for me. Again, it is 12 inches, so this is what it looks like. I mean, the hair is nice. The hair feels really nice and soft, literally just like a baseball cap. It has the Velcro right here. I don't really wear hats, so this is gonna be like really interesting. Okay, I'm kind of struggling because the hair is like getting in the way. Like, come on. Okay, so it's just like a baseball cap, I guess. So you just tighten it right there, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on, and we're gonna see how this looks. Oh my gosh, this is like a legit hairstyle right here. Yo, I mean, this is something that I probably could get into if I'm like going to the store or something, or probably like going to get my car washed or something like that. Yo, this is funny, but this is okay. Okay, it's cute. Okay. I don't know, I would probably wear this like to the store, or like if I'm going to the airport, probably to drop somebody off, drop my kids off to school. I'd probably just throw this on. But to like wear out, I mean, like, it's a cap wig. You literally just put it on and your hair's done. Like, this is crazy. You literally are just putting the hat on like a regular hat, and then you just go. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of straighten it out so you guys can see how it looks when it's like bone straight, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so this is this side, you guys, and so far it's looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's looking pretty good now. Yo, this is pretty dope. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it's really cute. I mean, I wish that the hair was a little bit fuller, but this is different. I never thought in a million years that I would wear a cap wig or a hat wig, or whatever this is called. This is dope. I mean, you can't really do too much to this wig. I mean, you could probably throw some curls in there, but knowing me, y'all know, if y'all know me, y'all know that I love straight hair. This is cute, y'all. This is so cute. So I actually give this a 9 out of 10. The hair is really soft. I haven't gotten any shedding. I just wish that it was a little bit fuller. I think it's cute, you know. I'm actually surprised. I'm really surprised. I never thought that I would be interested in a cap wig. Wow. If you guys like both wigs, again, the link to both of them will be down below and in the description box. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys know exactly when I can upload every single video. Okay? I will see you guys on my next one. And always remember to stay beautiful. Bye, guys.